Evergreen. Candid. Interactive Science. 4.
Adaptations in plants.
Charlie, would you like to have some juice?
No.
Juice is good for our health. And this orange juice is so yummy.
Wow! This is orange juice, my favorite. Ma'am, why do orange trees do not grow nearby our house?
Different types of trees grow in different places. Let me explain you in detail. Plants grow all over the world. There are big plants and small plants. Scientists have discovered well over 3,80,000 different types of plants and plants of cold climate.
Interesting.
Floating plants.
Unit 2. Animal.
Adaptations in animals.
Ananya, see, there is a squirrel.
The way she's grinning the grass.